Hi guys, in this video let's see how to make coconut chutney. It's a South Indian staple and it tastes amazing with almost all the tiffin items. There are few tips and tricks to be followed which I'm going to share with you shortly, which enhances the taste of this chutney. We'll take some coconut in a mixie jar. One great tip is to peel the skin off. Trust me, it makes such a difference. And pulse it once or twice. This looks as if it is grated. Now let's add shallots, little bit of ginger and green chili for the spiciness. Let's break it into pieces. Salt as per your requirement. We'll add water in batches and grind the coconut. That looks nice and thick. So my tip is using coconut oil for the tadka enhances the taste of this chutney. I'm going to add some coconut oil, mustard seeds, let it splutter. Now we are going to be adding some more shallots. So another tip is, if you allow the shallots to brown, it gives a great aroma and taste to the chutney. So I'm going to let it brown. Now a little bit of curry leaves. So that's it. Our tadka is done. We'll add it to the chutney. We are done with the coconut chutney. Spread joy and love. Thank you. Bye.